Hey, here's the video on how to add those overlays and stuff to your stream. I use memeboard, which is over here on my left hand side. If you come down to your store or whatever in Streamlabs, you can search for memeboard here. And you have to have the Prime to use it. I think I pay like $19.99 a month for the Prime. So I have overlays and stuff that I can use with the Prime and stuff as well. But once you've added memeboard, once you've installed it here from your store, I think there's an install button. Yeah, once you install it, it'll show up here on your left hand side, and it has animations already built in. So if you wanted to use the air horn, you can use that. If I click on settings here, here's all the different ones that I use. It's the air horn. Whenever I hit digit 1, the one on my keyboard, it plays it. Digit 3, for example, is censored. You can hear it so if I'm you mother, if I did something like that and whatnot, and then you can make your customized own, and that's what I did for the birthday one that I was playing, like this one. And what I did was I just went to Giphy. What I did to do that is I went to Giphy and I saved a meme or whatever, or a GIF, I'm sorry, as an image on my computer, and I pulled it. So to show you an example of how I did it, let's say we want to do one on, first let me delete that one because it's not my birthday anymore. Alright, so let's say that I wanted to create one on somebody doing a share bomb. Alright, so we'll call it share bomb, where they shared a ton. Alright, and then we go here and we just search Giphy. Let's find a GIF of a bomb. So let's say we want to use that one. Alright, we would open it, we would right click, save image as. We're just going to call this one share bomb. Alright, so we've saved it. Now we're going to go back to OBS and we're going to choose that image. And we know it's called share bomb. There it is. And then there it is there. And then now we need a sound, right? So I would suggest downloading Audacity. You don't have to do a sound if you want, but I would suggest doing some type of audio. So Audacity is free. And what I would do, if I had some type of clip or something, if you find an audio clip that you can download and you just put in there, that's fine. You can do that. But let's say that we wanted to create our own. We'll call it, we'll just record thanks for the share bomb. Thanks for the share bomb. All right. Thanks for the share bomb. All right, that was really loud. Let me do that again. Thanks for the share bomb. And then we can even do some effects on it here, fade out. Just kind of clean it up a little bit. For the share bomb. All right, we'll just say that's good, and then we'll export that as an MP3. Call it share bomb voice. What I do to get the songs in there is I buy the songs, right? So I'll go on Google and buy it's my birthday, that song, and then I import. So here's an example. Add new. So let's say that I wanted that it's your birthday or whatever. I buy it, I download it, and I import it, right? So it's my birthday. Open it. And here it is down here. And then all I do is just cut what I don't want. So if I wanted, just that. Okay, I realize I don't need all that. Whatever. So I know that I would want to delete that. Just kind of, you know, just trim it. And then we know that we need to delete that little bit there. And then we should have it all there. And then you would just save it. But alright, so we're going to delete that. We have this saved already, so we're going to exile this. No. And then we're going to go back here. Share bomb. Audacity. Share bomb voice. Open. And full screen. Then we're going to hit create. And then here it is here. We're going to assign F9 for that. Wait. Oh, I deleted. Here, we'll do F11. I deleted that birthday one, but it just hasn't. I have to close out. I have to close out of Audacity for it to take. I don't know. All right, we'll just do backspace. Okay. We're going to make it come up from the bottom. We'll say it's 4 seconds long. And we'll do the width is 35% on the screen. All right, save. So, if we go over back here and we hit backspace, you know, that comes up. And every time we hit backspace, that'll come up. Alright, so now when I hit F9, the birthday thing's gone. So that's cool. So backspace is that. If I wanted to go change it to F9, because I like using my F keys, I'll just come back over here, F9, save. And then now when I click F9, it's kind of hard to see, but that's F9 right there. If I click it, there you go. So this video was like 7 minutes long. It was longer than I wanted it to be. But yeah, I just used memeboard, and you know, I'll find whatever clips I need to find, and you know, download them in Audacity and cut them and export them as far as sound goes, and then I usually find GIFs on Giphy. But that's the gist. If you need any other help, just let me know.